Hey guys, what's happening? How to create a form in Airtable. Okay, first of all, open your base. So in my case, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my base, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit forms at the top, right here. Okay, inside forms, you're gonna press new form. All right, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and add the table request or create a new table. Okay, and add the title for the form in the form name. Okay, and that's how it this is how it will, or that's how it will look like if you're using it on desktop and mobile. Okay, if you like what you see, just hit create form and start going in, or start digging, or start working. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.